How to download Spotify playlist to MP3. So for this, you have to go ahead and open your Spotify application. Now go ahead and select your library. Then select a playlist that you want to download. Tap on Add to this playlist if you want to add more songs to this playlist. Here I am randomly adding some of the songs to my playlist. Then at the top you will see this download icon. You simply have to go ahead and tap on it. So here's the thing. To download your playlist, you actually have to have a Spotify Premium. So tap on Explore Premium. Now once you tap on it, it will display that currently you can try it for free for 1 month. So tap on Get Premium. Then tap on Continue with Spotify. And as you can see, it will cost you nothing, that is $0. So once you tap on Continue, you will land here where you can choose your payment method. If PayPal is available in your region, simply tap on PayPal. If not, tap on Credit or Debit Card and make sure to enter your credentials of your credit or debit card. You can also check the box to safeguard for future preferences, but don't worry, it will charge you nothing for now. Now all you have to do is simply tap on Buy Now. And just like that, you'll be able to download your playlist on Spotify and listen to it whenever there is no Wi-Fi as well. So go ahead and give this a try. And thank you so much for watching.